We're almost there. It's only a few more miles to Elmina. And when I hear the stories, they used to tell me that when you went through the doors of no return, you couldn't see anything. And I can see why they call it the doors of no return. I'm literally looking at the Atlantic Ocean. Back then, anyone who would actually leave this land and go into that ocean, there's no way to return from it. 500 years later, we've returned.
We're at the St. George's Castle in Elmina, Ghana, where the original slave trade started. This place was created by the Portuguese in 1482. A serious history lesson we're gonna get today. Stick around, there's lots more to come.